Hi guys, today I will show you how to connect Zendrop to TikTok Shop. Now before starting, ensure you have a Zendrop account and a verified TikTok account. Also set up your warehouse settings, shipping template and preferences in your TikTok shop. For the warehouse setup, you'll have to log into your TikTok seller center, go to account settings, then to warehouse settings and add a new pickup warehouse with Zendrop details. Create a return warehouse that can be same as pickup. Once connected, you will see your TikTok shop name and icon on your Zendrop dashboard, indicating a successful integration. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on a PC and log into your Zendrop account. After creating and logging into your Zendrop account, you will be on your dashboard. On the dashboard, click on Connect My Store button at the top left, that is the first option on your screen. You will see this page. Now on this page, click on Choose Another Platform button and you will see three options: ClickFunnels, Shopify and TikTok US. Select TikTok US and click on Continue. Now choose whether you already have a TikTok store that you want to connect to or you would like to build your own store. So we have to connect. So I'm going to choose I already have a store and click on Continue. Now when I click on continue, this is going to open a new tab and this new tab is TikTok Shop Seller Center. On this page, you'll have to just log into this TikTok Shop Seller using your user credentials with which you'll have a store and then select the shop that you want to connect. Then click on confirm to install TikTok on Zendrop. After that, you'll have to read and accept the terms, then click on authorize. After that, you would have successfully connected your Zendrop to TikTok Shop. So that's how you can connect Zendrop to TikTok Shop. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.